this is washed out so much, Tommy, I can't hardly recognize
Oh,
where we're at.
this thing was wonderful. I mean, you have no idea how nice it is.
Not big X on your tail.
I bet there is.
X's on the windows
Just
represent
Sean, can you
that
I
they've
got
been searched.
picture
I
this
guess.
over here?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it on the way out.
Is that what that means?
Never been searched.
But then search.
It was 6 foot. Look, oh man, that cabin's gone. There was a cabin right there. It was gone.
Wow. That's like part of it's under the cabin.
Somebody's smoke detector going off.
House is pretty
Car right down here.
This cabin was over there
Where it's over there.
on Still.
That's a vehicle like yours, John.
This cabin was where?
No, it's pickup.
Pick it off the street, right there,
Really?
down on the ground, just like this.
Or it come down here.
Oh, it's over. It is, will be.
Pushing, yeah, I can be pushing.
This cabin's gone. Yeah, I met him a couple of times.
Oh, there's the gate right here.
That's the gate.
That's the gate with the locks on, right? Huh?
Was.
See it right there, way over
Was.
there.
What's that taking? You can stop and looking at everything. I mean, we have stopped and look at everything.
Imagine looking for bodies and all this.
That's what all those people do.
Yeah. Huh?
I'm gonna go home and kiss your wife.
All
My
right.
girlfriend both.
Because we weren't here.
Because we weren't here.